Good. Now let's understand Indian and international system of numeration. Okay. So, okay. Now let's quickly run through the numbers that we know. Say we started off our number system with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. We have units position. Then we go to tens. Then we say something like 21, 22, 23, and so on. Then we have a 3-digit numbers. Then we call it as 321. Like I'm just writing the numbers. 321, 321. So we say this is unit. Then we have tens place. Then we have hundreds place. Then we say let's assume 4,321. So I can see this is 4321. We say 4,321. Now this is how we say it in India, right? Indian system. Then we have what is called 54321. What do you call this? We say 54,321. Then what do we have? Let me write that 654321. What do we call this? We say, now here we always say after this it's 4,321. We say 54,321. Then we say 6,54,321. Right? Now further, if I were to write 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do we call this? We call it as 76,54,321. So if I write further, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What do we call this? Do we call it as 876 lakhs? Do we call 876 lakhs? No, we say something else. What is it? Anyone? You just tell me the first two.
8 crore 76 lakh 54,321.
Very good. So we don't say 876 lakhs. We say 8 crores 76 lakhs 54,321. Now if we have like this 9, 8, sorry. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If we have this, we say 98 crores, 76 lakhs, 54,321. Now, that's what we say in Indian system. Now, let's understand quickly what do we say in international system. Okay, I know everyone is excited to say something, but let's not get excited. We'll get excited when we solve problems. Okay, let's quickly learn. So few people might be knowing all this. So very good. Yeah, very good, Abdi. Very good, very good. So let's do the international system quickly. If we have the same thing, 1, here we also say 1, 21, same. We say this as 1 only. In international system also we say 21. Even this one in international system, 321, we call it as 321 only. 4321, this also same. We don't change much. It's 4,321, right? Now, 54321, even this one in international system is also called it as 54,321. So the number, now from here, it changes in the international system. Now we don't, in international system, we don't say this as 6,54,321, but the same number, the way we write in international system is 654,321. We basically separate it here. We don't separate it here. This separation doesn't happen. So it's called 6,000. Very good.
54,321.
Very good. Very good. We say 654,321, because here basically if you observe what they are assuming is this entire thing is so many thousands, because you can see 654,000. These are three. If I assume these are 3 zeros, this entire position is becoming 654, right? So they call it as 654 thousands, 321. So in international system, they bracket this as one single unit and say 654,321. That's how the international system works. So I repeat, it's called 600 and 54 thousands, right? Thousands, so many thousands. Like here, you have 54,000, you have 4,000. So here it is 654,000. So basically what's happening is from 4,000 to 54,000 to it is becoming 654,000. So that's the easiest way to understand. 654,321, right? So that's how you call it. So now let's come to, now I'll give chance to Pragya. Pragya, it's your chance now. How do you say 7654321? I'll give chance to everyone.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right, sir?
Yes. So you have to first tell me where do you separate?
So we separate 3. We put our column after 3.
Okay, between 4 and 3. Very good. What is the next one?
4 and 3. Sir, between 7 and 6.
Very good. Between 7 and 6. Come on, tell me, Pragya, how do you say this?
So 7,654,321.
Very good. So we say 7,654,000, 7,654,321, right? 321. So the way we say it as 7 million, we use the word million there. So 654,000, okay, 654,000 and 321. 321. So that's how we write it. Okay, very good, very good. I can see Avni writing it. Very good. So who wants to say next? I think Sahib will take it. Next, okay. Darshil, wait. I'll give you a chance. Sahib, are you there?
Sahib is not there.
Okay. So Darshil, go ahead. Darshil. Okay, Neha, go ahead. I'm okay. Neha, take it up.
Okay, sir. It is 87,654,321.
Very good. Now you can see it is becoming 87 million. So in the next number, what will happen? What will happen in the next number? Yeah, go ahead. Pragya, go ahead.
So in the next number, billion will happen.
What will happen?
Billion.
Will it be billion or 987 million?
Right, sir.
It will be 987 million.
Very good. It will be 987 million. It will be 987 million 654. Wait. So 87 million, 987 million. Here it is 987 million 654 321. So your system moves from your lakhs to millions, right? So now after this 987, if we have some other number, we'll come there. Don't worry. We just compared here. We just try to understand Indian and international difference. We'll go in detail. Just wait for a second. We'll go to the next slide and discuss that. Okay. So Indian number system, it's a very simple system. We have already discussed. So we can see we have ones, we have tens, we have hundreds. So whether it is Indian system or international system, this will remain same. You have ones, tens and hundreds. So for example, you have something like 321, these are your ones, these are your tens, these are your hundreds. Okay. Now, in next part, we separate it at thousands. We have thousands and 10,000s. So, for example, if we have 4321, we saw this as 4,000. Whereas when we saw 54,321, we say 54,000. So, it's basically 10,000s. Like, you have 2-digit thousands. So 54 is a tens, 10,000s. Like, if you have, say, a number like 10,256. So how do you call it as 10,000? So if you have 20, you will say 20,000. You have 23, you call it as 23,256. So basically, you have thousands and tens of thousands. Now in lakhs, we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. So for example, we have, say, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In our system, we say this as 76 lakhs. So if we have only 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we say 6 lakhs 54. When we have 76, we say 76 lakhs 54,321. Then we have crores. So we have crores, then 10 crores, you have 100 crores, and so on. So for your learning as of now, this is more than enough. Okay. So Nirbhay wants to ask a question. Go ahead, Nirbhay. Nirbhay, go ahead.
Sir, he is offline.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, he's back. Yeah, Nirbhay, what's your question?
Sir, in international system, there are billion also.
Yeah, we'll come there. We'll come there, Nirbhay. Yes, we'll come there. Wait. Okay. So let's quickly go there. Now in international system, what is the difference? We have this same, very similar to Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds. This is very common to both Indian system and international system. But in thousands, we stop at thousands and then we stop at 10,000s. Whereas they go till 100,000s. That's the basic difference. I want everyone to understand this difference. Say when we have, say, 7, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1. Basically, in Indian system, we call it as 7,45,621. So if we have, so whereas same thing, if we were to have 7, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1 in an international system, they don't separate this part. So it continues like this. So in an international system, they call it as 745,000, 745,621. So basically, they use these 3 digits fully and use it as 100,000. So they don't stop at 10,000s, they go until 100,000s. So easy to remember, in an international system, everything goes till 100. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So next, when they have millions also, they do millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So if you want to understand a million, so in a million, so what do you mean by a million? 1, then you have 3 zeros, and then you have 3 zeros. If you can see, this is 1 million. So it's easy to see 1 million, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Basically, that's called 1 million. So that means when you have, say, for example, you have, say, 999,000. Say, let's assume we have 999,000. Now, after 999,000, if I want one more 1,000, so 999,000, if I add one more 1,000, what happens? What happens to 999,000 when we add 1,000? So if you add them up, 0, this also 0, this also 0, 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1 is 10. So you can see the moment you have from 999,000, we have 1,000 thousands. They don't say 1,000 thousands, they call it as 1 million. You understand this? Everyone is able to understand the logic here, how it is changing from 999,000, how is it changing to 1 million? So you need to understand. Very good. So 1 million. So another way, can anyone tell me, if I want to write 1 million into the in the form of power, what will be? Tell me 1 million, 10 to the power of how much is 1 million? You can see how many zeros are there? You have already learned this. Very good, Avni.
10 to the power of 6.
Very good. Brilliant. 10 to the power of 6. Brilliant. You can see you have 6 zeros there. That's the reason 10 to the power of 6. So a million, 1 million, 1 million, you know that 1 million is written as 10 to the power of 6. I want everyone to remember this and understand this. 1 million means 10 to the power of 6. Nirbhay, you said 8. Are you okay now? Okay, you changed it to 6. No problem. Very good. Very good. Very good, Nirbhay. That's okay. Now what happens? Now this is 1 million. So you have 1 million, then you have 10 millions, then you have 100 millions. So let's look at millions now. Now let's imagine there are 999 millions. Can I write 999 millions? Let me write it. 999 million. Million means there should be 6 zeros. Therefore, I put a comma here. 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0. So 999 million. Is that okay? Is that okay? Everyone can write 999 million? Yep. Very good. So that is your 999 million. Now for this 999 million, if I had one more million, let me add 1 million. Let me add 1 million to this. What happens? 999 million, the moment I add 1 more million, what will happen? It will become 1,000 million. But 1,000 million, they don't call it as 1,000. The moment you have, once you have
1
10,
billion.
yes, then they call it as a billion. The moment, they are done with millions, 10 millions and 100 millions, 100 million, 200 million, 300 million, 900 million, 999 million. But the moment we have 1,000 million, they don't call it as 1,000 million, but they call it as 1 billion. They call it as 1 billion. So now here what happens is, just let's add this up. Let me change the color of the pen for a moment. Okay. So this is 0, 0, 0. Wait, I'll give you a chance, but just wait. 999 plus 1 will be this 10, 1 carryover, once again 10, 1 carryover. So you can see, so many zeros. So now the moment there are 1,000 million, they don't call it as 1,000 million, but they call it as 1 billion. So you can see, what is a billion now? What is a billion? Now billion, you can see there are how many zeros in a billion? There are 9 zeros in a billion. Can anyone tell me how do I write in the form of 10? 10 to the power of how much?
10 to the power of 9.
Very good. It is 10 to the power of 9. So everyone need to understand that 1 billion is equal to 10 to the power of 9. 10 to the power of 9. Okay, for our learning now, billion is good enough. There is trillion. There are a lot of things, but not required. You need to know for your class. If you are clear with 1 billion, wonderful. So after that, 1 billion.
But you can one tell what is after trillion?
So no, I don't want to confuse you. Just be in the class. Okay? Yeah. People are smart. Everyone is writing. Just hold your breath. Wait. Now let's concentrate. There is a lot to learn in our class. Let's not deviate.
Sir, I have a question.
Wait, Pragya. Let me complete. So we have a billion, then we have 10 billions, we have 100 billions. So after 100 billions, it will become 1,000 billions, which they call it as trillion. So we'll come there later. There's something called million, billion, trillion, and so on. But let's not waste our time now, because when you require it, you will definitely learn. For now, focus on which is important. What is important? Now I'll ask you a question. Let me ask you a smart question. I don't want everyone to shout. Just tell me what is 1 billion? 1 billion is equal to how many millions? You just tell me that. Just put it in your, in the chat. Just tell me 1 billion is equal to how many millions? That's enough. I need that. Once again, I repeat, 1 billion is equal to how many millions? Very good. 1 billion is equal to 1,000 millions. That's what you need to understand. Now I'll give you a number. First you will tell me how do you say that in Indian system and how do you say that in international system. Okay, I'll tell you the number. 4567836. Vivan, Indian system 45 lakhs 67,836. Very good. International, Vivan is writing 4,056,000. 4 million. It's not 560. Yes, very good. 567,836. Very good. Very good, Vivan.